So I'm getting started here by taking my Pillsbury biscuits and I'm just cutting them up into smaller pieces, placing them right into my bowl. Now grabbing 1 can of crushed pineapple. Yes, we are getting the party started, you guys. And also some maraschino cherries. Now I probably have about a 1/4 cup of these cherries right in here. And I did cut them in half to make them smaller, but it's totally up to you. You'll take a second just to mix in all of that crushed pineapple and those cherries, combine it with the biscuits. This looks great. Okay, now grab yourself your muffin tin. And you know where we're going with this. I am going to take with my clean hands here, and I'm just going to take a little bit of cherry along with that pineapple, and I'm gonna place it right into my muffin tin. So that's all you gotta do. And make sure each one at least gets a few cherries because you don't wanna miss out on that. Oh, these are gonna be so good, you guys. This idea is so fabulous. I hope you love it. So fill up all your muffin tins with that delicious goodness, and we're moving right along. Okay, so we have those all filled up. We're gonna move right over here into our saucepan, and we're gonna add 1 cup of butter right there onto our saucepan, and we're gonna add that up with 1 cup of brown sugar. Perfect. You'll go ahead and give that a mix until the brown sugar is cooked in with that butter, and it'll be nice and smooth, and oh, such a great addition to our really easy, delicious treat we are whipping up today. Okay, that looks great. Look at that. Everything is thickened up, and oh, that looks so delicious. It is gonna be so good as we bring it over here and we start to pour just a little bit inside each one of these muffin tins. Oh yeah, these are gonna be off the charts, amazing. You wanna just pour a little bit in each one, just like so. It's gonna soak down in there in that dough as that dough rises, and holy cow, a little bit of added sweetness is gonna be so delicious with these.
We are good to go, and I cannot wait to bake these. I'm gonna throw them in the oven at 350. They're gonna cook between 15 and 20 minutes, and stick around. I think you are gonna love this easy, delicious treat.
Yummy. Can we just take a moment for those? Look at how beautiful those turned out. I absolutely love this twist on a pineapple upside down cake, and I cannot wait to show you guys. So I'm gonna see if I can just wiggle this out right here in front. Perfect. And see, look at that. You see how that just makes that perfect shape, just like so. Oh my goodness. And then we have all of that brown sugar. We have the cherries right inside. All right, we're gonna give it a go. Wow, these are amazing. Run here. Oh my god. The brown sugar and the butter glaze sunk all the way down in here. We have the cherry mixed with the pineapple. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I can tell some of the pineapple juice soak in with the dough, creating even more flavor. It's the perfect balance between the sweetness. It's not overly sweet, you guys. I love the bits of cherry. This is definitely a home run, 10 out of 10. I hope you guys give it a try. Let me know what you think. I'm clearly gonna finish scarfing these down, so I'm gonna stop chewing with food in my mouth for once, and I'll see you guys later. Enjoy.